What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're introducing an exciting new company to the channel, and that company is called Clearday. Now, Clearday is a non-acute longevity healthcare service company. The company enables older Americans to age in place. So it's a very interesting demographic. As we know, the seniors are going to need more and more support. The baby boomers, it's quite an interesting demographic. So I'm excited to be talking about this company. They've got quite an interesting idea and technology behind them. So let's get straight into the video. Last but not least, if you do support the channel and all the videos, kindly give us a like. It means the world to me and it helps my videos so very much, along with hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future videos. Also drop us a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the video. And finally, for full disclosure details, guys, this is a sponsored video. Always check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, guys, I bring you Clearday. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing I wanted to quickly take a look at was, in fact, the stock. So it is traded on the OTC markets under ticker symbol CLRD, and that is Clearday Incorporated, with a $20 million market cap as of the time of recording and a 52-week range of $1.37 all the way up to $15.15. So let's take a quick look at the chart. So guys, taking a look at the 1 month chart here, we have seen Clearday pulling back. Obviously, it's been a very volatile market right now with everything going on. So things are volatile, but now might be an interesting time to take a look at Clearday. And let's get into the business and find out a little bit more about what the company does. So just, to start, that is the stock ticker symbol CLRD. But let's get into their website now. So the website is myclearday.com. Clearday, creating the future of longevity care. So on their website, guys, you can find a really nice, simple video explaining, what the company is all about. But in this video, we're going to focus a little bit more on the details. So the longevity care crisis. There is a widening gap between the longevity care needs of older Americans and the availability of affordable, high-quality care options. So 72 million Americans are over the age of 65. 10,000 will turn 65 every day for the next decade, and that is the baby boomers. Of course, we know they're going to need a lot more support. 90% of seniors plan to age at home for the next 5 to 10 years. 14% annual growth of professional caregiver supply. 120% annual growth of demand for dementia caregivers, and 60% annual growth of demand for professional caregivers. So if 90% of seniors age at home instead of opting for residential communities, who will provide them with care, how, where, and for how much? So a new continuum of care. So Clearday businesses provide transformative new care models that extend the ability for those with Alzheimer's, dementia, or other cognitive deficit conditions to live at home and delay the need for residential care. So what do we have here? The Clearday Network, Clearday at Home, Clearday Clubs, and Memory Care America. So we will get into all of those in just 2 seconds, but I want to quickly go over a few more things on this website. So Clearday at Home. So we're going to talk about the platform now. So a transformational digital care offering that supports aging in place. Clearday at Home is a breakthrough digital service that helps families more confidently manage dementia and Alzheimer's care at home. Then we have Clearday Clubs, a superior membership-based daytime care option. Clearday Clubs are membership-based daytime destinations that enrich the lives of those with cognitive deficit conditions. Then we have Memory Care America, a foundation of care expertise and innovation. Memory Care America is our network of cognitive enrichment communities that combine continuous innovation and best-in-class residential care for those with cognitive deficit conditions. And finally, quick little mission statement. So we are on a mission. We believe that the longevity care market is ready for transformative new models that are more affordable, accessible, and convenient, but without sacrificing a high standard of care, and we're doing something about it. So let's talk a little bit more about the longevity care crisis and the market that they are specifically targeting. So there are 28,650 residential care communities in the United States. 90% of seniors want to age at home. They're comfortable at home. They don't want to go to a retirement community. So the old continuum of longevity care. The entire senior care industry was built around the idea that people would willingly leave home for residential communities where they would receive increasingly specialized care over the remainder of their lifetimes. living at home, independent living, assisted living, skilled care, specialty memory care. So the new care model must emerge. So with 90% of US seniors planning to stay at home for the next 5 to 10 years, care offerings must evolve to support aging in place until it's no longer possible for loved ones to live safely at home. So how does this look? Living at home, assistive products, home support services, part-time daily care, specialty memory care, and then of course, this global illness intensified the desire to avoid or delay residential care decisions. As we know, that was one of the hardest hit areas was, senior care facilities, long-term care homes, a critical shortage of professional caregivers. As demand for in-home care skyrockets, millions of current care workers are retiring or finding new professions, creating a severe shortage of professional caregivers. By 2026, the US will have projected 7.8 million job openings. How will this gap be filled? So family members feel the pressure of providing care. So with the shortage of home care workers and a lack of other affordable high-quality care options, family caregivers feel increasingly overwhelmed mentally, physically, and financially. So 42 million US adults provide unpaid care to loved ones over the age of 50. 26% of unpaid caregivers are supporting a loved one who has Alzheimer's or other dementia. More than 60% of all US unpaid caregivers are women. 23.7 hours on average spent per week providing unpaid care. It's time for a new generation of longevity care solutions. As millions choose to age at home, a new generation of longevity care solutions must emerge to support not just those who require care, but also those who provide it. These transformative new care models must be more affordable, accessible, and convenient, but without sacrificing a high standard of care. So we're quickly going to go over Clearday At Home and the 4 sections of their business. We know cognitive care takes a team. Clearday At Home is the new way for families to feel confident in dementia and Alzheimer's care at home. Virtual cognitive care services that improve quality of life at your fingertips. Number 1, take a virtual cognitive assessment. Number 2, receive your customized care plan. Number 3, promote health and daily activities. And number 4, feel confident with ongoing guidance. So there's a great video on their Clearday At Home. If you want to check it out, this is all on the website, guys. Best test, understand their cognitive health. So our virtual 45-minute behavior engagement simulation temperament, or the BEST test, let's let family evaluate their loved one's cognitive health and mobility so they know exactly the level of care they need. Then we have Clearday Clubs, a superior membership-based daytime care option, a home away from home, a social community filled with friends and activities. A foundation of experienced care and supportive services, each Clearday Club is staffed with highly trained multilingual professionals who are experienced delivering loving care to those with cognitive deficit conditions. In addition to regular daily activities, Clearday offers the following helpful services to members and their families: health monitoring and medication management, healthy, nutritious meals and snacks, personal care and grooming assistance, continuance care and laundry services, and then bathing with an added fee. Now we have Memory Care America, intuitive cognitive care that makes the most of every day. Our living centers, Clearday's Memory Care America living centers, are recognized in their respective communities as a premier residential cognitive care provider with an unmatched combination of personalized care, innovative programs, and leading safety practices. So a couple aspects: the technicians of cognitive care are continuously optimized comprehensive training curriculum for cognitive caregivers. Technicians of cognitive care empowers our staff and family caregivers across all platforms with the latest care protocols and life enrichment techniques for serving those with cognitive deficit conditions. Then we have the Clearday Best Test, which we talked a little bit about, personalized monthly care plans, and cognitive enrichment therapies and programs. So that's it for the brief overview of Clearday, guys. It's an interesting company focused on supporting the aging senior community at home, which I think is very smart because, as we know, this global illness has made people kind of scared, maybe you could say, of the long-term care facility. And, seniors right now, the baby boomers, they definitely want to stay at home for as long as possible. And this is a really interesting company because it supports that. It allows them to stay at home, but also, feel more supported and taken care of. So very interesting company. I've always been a big fan of this demographic. We'll see how it goes, guys. But that's it for the introduction. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in our next video. If you like these videos, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Drop us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. Furthermore, this video may or may not have been sponsored by the companies that we've profiled within this video, and we may or may not own shares of any of the profiled companies in this video. If you want to know the full disclosure details, check the description down below along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.